All right, so since I lost my attic storage, I decided to make a shelf to go on a wall. So this is 4 foot wide, 16 foot long. The plan is I'm gonna raise it all the way up to the ceiling. When I did this wall, there's 2x4s that run horizontal, not vertical like a normal house, 16-inch on center or anything. They run horizontal behind the drywall. So I wanted to be able to get 2 anchor points. So I decided to do these verticals that'll go up on the wall, and I'll be able to screw into the top plate here, and then the next board down should be here, if I did my math right. So the plan is to raise this up with the tractor, drive forward, get it right up flush against the ceiling. I can wiggle it around on here on top of this platform thing manually. So as long as I get it close with the tractor, I'll be able to get on a ladder on either end of it and shift it and get it right. And then I'm going to get the back screwed into the wall. And I'm going to take a couple of 2x4 supports and just go down to the ground and hold it on the front temporarily until I get the pieces cut and everything that are going to screw into this board. So I'm going to run 2x4s kind of like this, just like that, only on the front side. And they're going to go up and screw into this guy. It's running on here, 2x4. It's probably hard to see. I painted it so it would match. So that's the plan. We'll see how this all goes. If I can get my wife out here to guide me a little bit so I don't drive through the wall or whatever. But that's kind of my solution I have for all the crap that I had up in the attic. Pool supplies, pool ladder, all pool stuff was pretty much up above in the attic here, and I don't really have an attic anymore, so this is going to be the solution, I think. This should come down so it's like an inch above the height of the door will be the bottom of this, but it's not going all the way over to the door. It's going to stop right here. So that's kind of my plan. We'll see if I can get this all put up there today, and we'll see how that all goes. It ought to be kind of entertaining. We'll see. So I got the shelf all up. Ended up going well, very well. Didn't need my wife like I was originally anticipating. I got it up there. Obviously got a little bit of painting to do. But, it's a barn. It turned out pretty good. Got that all installed and got the legs off of it. So now it's all suspended there. Yeah, part of the reason I had to do this, I couldn't buy one of those ones you see, the metal ones, Husky and other manufacturers make them. They're all 4 foot spacing, 2 foot spacing, whatever, 4 foot on center. And my trusses are, the distance between here and here is 4.5 feet. So those wouldn't work for me in this situation. So this was my solution, and I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm really pretty pleased. I also managed to get the bench put up on the back wall here. Eventually I'm going to get some cabinets, wall cabinets to go up on there. And yeah, at any rate, I just wanted to give you the quick recap there. It did turn out very well. I'm very pleased with it. I've like almost 82 inches from the bottom of the platform to the ground. It's like 81.5, something like that. So all in all, I think it'll be good.